Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually fix if your Instagram DMs are not loading. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to fix your Instagram DMs not loading or not working properly. So let me go ahead and open Instagram. Let's say you're trying to send a DM to someone, and then you tap on the message icon on the very top right hand side of the screen. The DMs are just not loading. There are a couple of reasons why this could happen, so we're going to make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing you want to check is simply make sure you have a very stable internet connection. So we're going to also run a quick speed test of our internet. In order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and open my browser. You should typically do the same, and in the search box I will simply go to this URL called speedtest.net, and I'm also going to leave this link down in the description box. So go ahead and simply type in speedtest.net. Once you go to speedtest.net, simply hit enter on your keyboard. And this is basically a site where you can test your internet connection. So tap on the go button in this circular icon in order to test your speed test connection, and this process could actually take a while, so you have to be patient and wait. And whenever the results load up, if your speed is anything up to 5 to 10 kilobytes per second, it means that it is stable enough to at least run Instagram. In my case, it could reach up to 40 Mbps per second, which means in my case the network connection is absolutely excellent. However, if yours is below, let's say 5 to even 10 kilobytes per second, you want to make sure to simply restart your router and make sure also that all of your connections are working just fine. Once you've made sure of that, the other thing you should also understand is we have to check whether the Instagram servers are down or not. You want to be aware that Instagram has over billions of users, and typically millions of users use Instagram every day. That could also be one of the core reasons why the servers of Instagram could be down. In order to check that, in the search box again, we're going to simply go to is Instagram down. So once you go ahead and type in is Instagram down and search for it. Now usually down detector is a very good option. You can also see the search results which says Instagram is having issues since 2:30 AM IST. Are you also affected? Leave a message in the comment section. So you could go ahead and select downdetector.com, and it could be basically having issues. And if you see a sudden spike, as you can see in my case, Instagram outages reported in the last 24 hours. If you suddenly see a huge spike in the number of reports that the users have reported, it could mean that their servers are currently down. In my case, yes, it is down, as you can see the servers and a huge spike in the results as well. So in this case, there's nothing really we can do. We have to be patient and wait until Instagram fixes it from their side itself. So once you've made sure of that, and also want to keep updated with the Instagram app, you have to understand that this isn't the issue from your side. The other thing we can do, however, is we can simply check for updates and constantly update Instagram until the issue has been fixed. So we're going to go ahead and simply open the App Store on our phone, and once you open your Google Play Store or your iOS App Store, in the search box you want to go ahead and simply type in Instagram. As soon as you type in Instagram, you can see the very first application which says Instagram, and if you see an update button right over here next to open, or instead of open next to the uninstall button, you have to go ahead and tap on the update button in order to update the Instagram app to the latest version. What this does is that it is going to fix all of the issues and errors which you were facing in the previous version of Instagram. So basically this could help you fix and reload your DMs and get it to work properly again. We hope one of these solutions may have fixed your issue. If it did help fix the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.